Hi guys and girls, dctmakes here. 2 videos in one day, oh my gosh, what on earth. Okay, when's the last time that you checked your drill press for square against your table? I've the quill shaft nearly all the way out and a 1/2 inch zinc coated bolt in, and it's pretty good. Just kick it off there. It's pretty good. I mean, this is not an expensive drill press or anything. It's the one I converted to DC, so it's got variable speed all the way up. Oh, no belt changes. That'll change your life. Okay, now, when was the last time you, like I say, when was the last time you checked your table square to a drill that you've got in there in effect? Yeah, I was messing about with this table because I want to put an extension on and be able to move this table sideways and around. And I thought, wait a second, I've had this thing since like 2002. It's got to have been bashed out of square by now. So, lucky. And it is. And when you put your level, now obviously this is taking the level of the entire machine, bed and base and everything to the concrete, but looky there, a little tiny bit out, and I hope it's not flashing, and it is not square. Hey, check your tools for square. See you later, bye.